JD Cat 26 here, just do tips, cares, and hobbies. And we got the Roth Big Daddy Angel Fink. And this is the back of it. So I'm going to put it together, and I don't think there should be any problem, but I'll let you know. Okay, to put the wings together, or their wings, bat wings, you should glue them all to the edge. And I used a Gorrilla glue, which is really good, and I use clamps on it to keep it all together until it dries. So I'm gonna let that dry for a while. Do the flask or the cup, you glue it to the base. A little tricky, but the Gorilla glue on the bottom there will keep it together. And then on the side, you're gonna have to do the seams with some compound. Body is a little bit tricky, so you have to get the top edges and the bottom edges, a little glue, and then clamp it, okay? Like that. Glue the top on there and letting it dry. With this one to glue, I had to put the bottle on it and lay it flat until it dries. Put them upside down with a battery there just to hold it so it dries, the feet dry, okay? I had to turn him right side up, or she, and lean a bottle against it to keep the feet nice and flat. Okay, I pulled out the green stuff to put the wings on the side of the body. So we'll do puttying with Mr. Putty, as you can see, and that concludes this video. The next video will be painting it, and I hope you join me for that video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me the thumbs up, and have a great New Year's. See you now.